In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text on Slack. Highlighting text can make your messages stand out and help grab the attention of your colleagues when you need it most. Whether you're emphasizing an important point, distinguishing a key detail, or simply organizing your messages for clarity, using text highlights effectively can greatly enhance communication. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process. To begin with, open Slack and navigate to the channel where you want to send your message. It could be any channel you're participating in, or one that you need to communicate something important. Once you're in the right place, you'll want to focus on crafting your message. Simply type out what you need to say in the message field. It might be as straightforward as a reminder, a project detail, or perhaps an announcement. After typing out your message, go ahead and press enter to send it. Now, you might find that after sending your message, you want to ensure it's highlighted for better visibility. To do this, first take a look at your sent message and click on the More Actions button. This can usually be found by hovering over your message, where you'll see a series of options appear. Clicking on More Actions will reveal a drop-down menu that gives you further functionalities. From this expanded menu, you will want to select the option to Edit Message. This option lets you refine and modify the message you've already sent. Once you're in edit mode, you have the opportunity to enhance your message by applying either bold or italic styles to the text, which effectively serves as highlighting within Slack. Simply select the portion of the text you wish to emphasize, maybe a particular phrase or keyword, and then choose either the bold or italic button. You might opt for bold if you need your message to appear more striking and impactful, while italics can suggest emphasis without being overpowering. After applying your desired styling, ensuring your message now effectively captures attention, you just need to save your changes. Locate the Save option within the editing interface and click on it. This action updates your message in the channel with the newly emphasized text, allowing others in the conversation to immediately notice the highlighted sections. And there you have it, a straightforward way to highlight text in your Slack messages. By using text styling, you can make sure your important points don't get missed and keep your communication clear and engaging. Give it a try the next time you want your message to pop in a busy Slack channel. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps make your communication even more effective.